Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to talk about this article from Electric stating that the Tesla owners in UK has won a settlement with Tesla over a small through the small claim court. So basically, this owner in UK, his name is Butler, and back in 2019, he bought a Model 3 Tesla and also bought the full self-driving package. At that time, it was about $3,000. And we all know that Tesla like to increase and decrease the price of their software, which is the full self-driving from what, 3,000 set to 7,000 and then to 10,000 and 15,000. And now they lower it back down to 12,000. But and also Tesla, I think back in 2019, Tesla promised that the car will drive itself and all kind of that stuff. So what happened is customer's Butler, he purchased it, and the full self driving in the city street in UK didn't start until a year later in 2020. So that upsets him, and so he filed it more through court. And originally first Tesla agreed to give him the refund of the about $3,000 without the interest. And Tesla also put in a lot of things that said that instruct Butler not to disclose any information regarding about this claim, that Tesla refunded him and all kind of stuff. And Mr. Butler, who didn't, first off, he wanted the interest off of the $3,000 that he paid. And also, he's not willing to disclose. He doesn't want his rights. He wants to let everybody know. If he wants to tell people that he won the case against Tesla, he's free to do so. So he declined that one, and later on, Tesla agreed to pay him the interest and everything. So all in all, total, it's about $9,000 something. And through the small claim court, you pretty much, there's no, you can't have a lawyer representing. It's just yourself and Tesla. And this guy, I think he's pretty good because he got everything together, and he actually put Tesla in this place. And the court decided with the Tesla owner. And so, and also Tesla, earlier before this year, Tesla also lost another claim where another owner, because Tesla, I believe they wanted the owner to pay an upgrade on the full self-driving. And that owner also took Tesla to court, and also the court had Tesla do the upgrade for the full self-driving system for free. Okay, and over here. So I don't know if that's gonna work in the United States. Different court have different system, and the stuff that you put together, who knows what. But if this guy can do it in UK and the court sided with him and he got his money back along with the interest and all that stuff. So if you bought FSD with Tesla and you're not satisfied, or you're not happy, or for whatever reasons, you might want to take Tesla through small claim court and see if you might get your refund back. Or unlike that guy, you bought FSD and you like it, who knows what. But this is what this article is all about. So I'll list all the informations in the description part, so that way if you guys want to read over it, you're more than welcome to. But other than that, I just want to bring quick news to you guys, okay? Other than that, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.